Does B12 repair the myelin sheath?
Vitamin B12 is essential for myelin health. It helps make S-adenosylmethionine, a key methyl donor needed for myelin lipids and proteins. If B12 deficiency causes demyelination, replacing B12 can stop damage and often allow partial remyelination and symptom improvement, especially when treated early. However, B12 will not reliably rebuild severe or immune-driven myelin loss, such as in multiple sclerosis, unless a true deficiency is present.
If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe.